Here's how you can create a personal portfolio in Framer. If you want to create a personal portfolio website by using the Framer AI, this is how you can do it, and it is easier than you think. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for Framer sites or just Framer AI. Once you click on the link, you need to log in or sign up with an account. You can continue with your email, give it your email and a password, or just continue with your Google account. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, click on the new project option from the top right corner. You'll be directed to this page where now you can make your own website from here. As you can see, there is nothing on the project because here you can create a personal portfolio for yourself from scratch. You can see all the elements, the CMS, the basics of sections, navigation, menus, etc. But that is a long-term process. If you want to create a personal portfolio easily, you can use templates for it. Just click on Browse from the right side where it says Try a template. You'll be directed to the templates page. Here you can see all of the templates of Framer sites. You can find whatever template you want to use. In this case, we're going to search for portfolios. And as you can see, these are all the templates for personal portfolios. You can find the one that you want to use. Once you find the one that you want to use, click on Use for Free. And now you'll be directed back to the Create a Project option, but this time you would have a full website in front of you which you can edit in order to create your own personal portfolio. You can edit anything that you want from here. If you want to edit a component, just click on it and you'd be able to edit the text from the right tab that will open up. You can add a link if you want. You can change the position, the size, effects, overlays, and every single thing from here. Once you're done editing your website, all you need to do is just click on Publish from the top right corner, and that is how you can easily create a personal portfolio website by using Framer. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.